a little bit unprepared because just decided to start doing it. But I'd start recording, but so I don't have my microphone or anything hooked up at the moment, as you can see. So the quality of audio may not be super great. But I am installing last minute L&W tie rods. I was just gonna put my street setup on and ride this weekend on the street because Montana tags, but then I've had these for months now, these tie rods. So I figured I might as well throw them on here. So I'll do a little short video on it. First, obviously take your wheel off. Second, take this nut off the tie rod end, outer part of the tie rod. So that's loose there. That's not that bad most of the time. You just hit on the side of it a couple times. And if you have to, put the nut back on the end and then tap it with the hammer while the nut's on the end. Cut the zip tie for this. There's just a zip tie that holds it to the box. Cut that, and you will see the inner tie rod part here, the ball, whatever you want to call it. Easiest way to get that off is, for me, a small pipe wrench. And you can get under there. Whoops. And you can get under there with the small pipe wrench and turn it lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you're going to be going this way, counterclockwise. And mine's loose right now, so I'm about to take it off. Alright. That way you can see me. I don't know if the new ones come with boots. I think they already come assembled and whatnot with these ends. Which I didn't realize before I took mine apart that they are like this. They're all one piece OEM like that. And they have a different ball on them. That's all one piece. These come separately. Or they are separate. I think they come together when you buy them, but beside the point. So you separate them. If it don't come with a boot, I'm not sure, to be honest, because I didn't buy these new. If not, the easiest way to do it is take this end off. The boot already be greased up, so it don't matter. And then slide it. You see that? And then slide the boot all the way to the other end, so you can install your inner tie rod here. I don't know where mine need to be at the moment as far as adjustment, so I'll have to figure that out when I get there. Don't try to leave this part on and then slide the tiny little end right here on it. It's just way harder. So take this end off, slide it all the way down, and then you'll have it on there way easier. I was trying it the other way because I couldn't get these separated, but once I did, it's much easier just to take the hem joint, hem, however you say it, joint off and slide it down on the opposite end. So that's what you'll be left with, and the boot will cover up the inner tie rod grease part. These are actually rebuildable. These aren't in super great condition, but for the time being they'll work. They're a little limper than I want. But I'll put them on there because there's no in and out play. It's pretty tight there. It's just a little limpy that way, not a big deal. So we'll see from there. Alright, these things are they're on there. Here's your misalignment bushings, what they call them. These ones are new. I bought some new ones. And then you will adjust it once you get your wheels on and whatnot, so you can see how your alignment is. But that's pretty much it. These are pretty nice. We'll see. I don't know that they're better. I guess they are. I mean, I bought them with a whole bunch of other stuff to use, so figured I might as well throw them on there. Hem joint's tight and whatnot, so we'll see how they do with the race season. So, later.